This is my first attempt at narrating a video. There were so many guys at the range today that I couldn't hear myself think. Lots of stuff going on. But I did need to try out this P-64 because, you know, I had exchanged it. The first one I bought had a nick inside the chamber. So J&G Sales was good to replace it. There's my Glock. I'm making sure that it's pointing down range like a good shooter would. And this is going to be the boss Colt 45, or I'm sorry, a Colt 1911 70 series. So again, I'm here testing out the P-64, and I'm going to shoot it first. You can see I was trying to use my left index finger there to kind of control the flip a little bit. That didn't work too well for me. I wasn't able to get much of a group with this pistol. My aim point here is the number 8, the upper chest area. I can't seem to get a very good group with it. Of course, this is only like the second time I've shot it. I still wasn't able to do much good with it. I think right at the end I think I did get one close. There we go. Yeah. So now I'm trying Old Faithful here, my Glock 19, which I've always had better luck with. I just seem to be able to, especially since I put the 3.5 pound trigger in it. I like the fact that I've got 15 rounds. And I'll show the target here in just a second. Just for the fun of it, I was at about 30 feet. I thought I'd just try some upper body shots here. I think I got 10 out of 15 there. Rushed it a little bit. Now, yeah, this is my Colt 1911. It's a 70 series, and I've always loved this thing, and I seem to do pretty well with it. You'll see in a minute. I'll show the target. That was my first magazine. Second magazine. Here my aim point is the left, the number 9 on the left hand side. I was able to get a pretty decent group there. Felt pretty good about that. It makes me feel like I'm not so sure about that little P-64, why I wasn't able to group it better. Maybe it's just a matter of practice. Here I thought, well, it was towards the end of the day. I thought I'd just do a little mag dump. And I think I got most of them on target. Again, towards the end, I slowed down and got my last 2 or 3 on target. I don't know, guys. This is a neat little pistol. Maybe if you're interested in just collecting, I'm not sure I would count on it, you know, for self-defense. It's kind of got a little bite there too. You can see it needs more of a beaver tail in the back. You know, if you got thick hands like I do, that thing the slide will come back and bite you. You can see there. But I mean, it's a neat little pistol. I don't know, for 180 bucks, I guess it's worth it. I think what I've learned from this is that there's nothing like a Glock, I think, for self-defense. That's my opinion. Thanks, guys.